Sana has drawn a picture of butterfly in paint. Her teacher wants her to make a copy of the butterfly and then resize it to 100 pixels. She also wants her to flip the second butterfly vertically. Could you help her with the steps she should follow? To copy the image of the butterfly, select the drawing. Then in the clipboard group, click the option Copy. Now in the clipboard group, click the option Paste. Good! You now have a copy of the image at the top left corner of the drawing area. Notice that the new image of the butterfly is still selected. Click and move the image to the desired position. Now to resize the image of the butterfly, on the Home tab, click the Select option and then drag the pointer to select the butterfly's image. Click the Resize option in the image group. You will notice that the Resize and Skew dialog box appears. Select the Maintain Aspect Ratio checkbox. Select the Pixels option in the Resize area and type in the new width as 100 in the horizontal box or the new height as 100 in the vertical box. Did you notice that the other value changes automatically? Now, click the OK button. You will notice that the image will be resized to 100 pixels horizontally and vertically. Before we move on, can you answer this question? The dash option is used to change the angle of a drawing. So finally, to flip the butterfly vertically, select the second image of the butterfly in the drawing area and on the Home tab, select the Rotate option in the image group. Now, select the Flip Vertical option to flip the butterfly in the vertical direction. Uh-oh! The butterfly may hit the ground now. Quick! Select Flip Vertical once more to make it fly up again. Good job! So children, till next time, revise all the commands and make new drawings.